Joy of homemade pizza. This Betty Crocker 12 pizza pan and indoor grill, 13.78 x 15.87 x 5.04, defines the joy of making and baking delicious pizzas with your pizza crust just the way you like it. Maker's gonna make. We love versatile kitchen appliances, so our pizza oven is also a sandwich maker, griddle press, tortilla press, crepe maker, electric, omelet maker, quesadilla maker and more. Oven-free and indoor. Enjoy oven-less cooking with our outstanding 1440 watts electric skillet and tortilla maker. Create delectable nachos, quiches, and pancakes indoors thanks to this electric grill indoor. Easy to clean. The non-stick surface of this superior pizza cooker, grilled cheese maker, and panini maker make cleanup a breeze. Be creative and be messy without scrubbing the night away. Bring people together. Impress friends and family with delicious homemade cheese pizza thanks to this countertop electric pizza maker. Make memories a la delicious recipes with this electric cooker. The product voltage range is 110 volts. Top reviews from the United States. Better than advertised or expected. Ordered the pizza maker with low expectations with hopes that it would just cook frozen pizza similar to the oven. I have been very surprised at how well it not only cooks frozen pizza, but hamburgers/cheeseburgers, grilled cheese sandwich, oven fries, breaded shrimp, eggs, hash browns, bacon, homemade meatloaf patties, just to name a few I have tried and enjoyed eating since getting my pizza maker. It should even work as a double hot plate to heat up most canned goods given enough time. Very surprised by how well this product works and would most definitely recommend it to anyone. I have just purchased 3 more for family and friends.